fading. 4 a.m. I call you, but I'm wasted now. Tell me what's on your mind. Say you want me, but I'm starting to think you're faking it. And I share with you what I share with no one else. Give it back to me, a lost part of myself. And I take it back, all the things I said to you. Cause I look stupid now. XOXO SOS. Triple X black hoodie, want that back. Shaggy gave top, then I'm not that fast. My hoodie looks good, but better on you. XOXO SOS. Triple X black hoodie, want that back. Shaggy gave top, then I'm not that fast. My hoodie looks good, but better on you. You said you need me, but you don't. You don't. You said you'd call me, but you won't. You won't. XOXO SOS. Triple X black hoodie, want that back, babe. Shawty gave top, then I'm not that fast. My hoodie looks good, but better on you. XOXO SOS. Triple X black hoodie, want that back. Shawty gave top, then I'm not that fast. My hoodie looks good, but better on you. If I asked you to teach me, would you tell me your ways? If I asked you to leave me, wonder what you would say. Overthink every baby and maybe lately I've been going insane. Hey, you're a real sweet talker, all the boys and the girls are wishing that they could be you or that they could be yours. And I asked you to help me, you said it was easy. Just turn off your feelings, fuck the heart, you can keep it. So welcome to the Heartbreaker Club. We got soda and drugs for you to numb the pain, but you wish you could wish it away. All of these tears gone, I hope you had fun. I should've known better, I should've. Welcome to the Heartbreaker Club. We got soda and drugs for you to numb the pain, don't you wish you could wish it away. All of these tears gone, I hope you had fun. I should've known better, I should've known better. My bad, I'm fucking with you again. So sad, found out I'm a hot bandit. And you got that look in your eyes, and every word with a sigh. I think I'm making you cry. Someday I'll look back on what I told you and I'll regret it. And I'm not usually this way, I'm normally quite sensitive. I'm overwhelming you, I know I overestimate myself. But if you wanna know how to do it, then you're welcome to the Heartbreaker Club. We got soda and drugs for you to numb the pain, don't you wish you could wish it away. All these tears gone, I hope you had fun. I should've known better, I should've. Welcome to the Heartbreaker Club. We got soda and drugs for you to numb the pain, don't you wish you could wish it away. All these tears gone, I hope you had fun. I should've known better, I should've known better.
Hello, what's happening? Here for you, baby. Oh, you're here and you're calling me a baby. Never mind. We crashed. I don't know why it crashed. It's on main. Main is supposed to be the stable branch, but it crashed. Sure did crash. Sure is. Alright. Why'd it crash? Also. Copy this. Something's wrong. I don't know what it is, but I feel like we're gonna put this up here. Oh, the leaderboards. That's what's confusing me. Hello, Tony. Nice of you to show up. Golly. Here I am to entertain you while you're at work. And now the scene is really there, and then the chat can go the middle one. That works. As well as anything else. I don't understand how it just broke. Simply do not know how. Nice of you to stream. Yeah. Wow, I really do not understand how it just crashed. That's okay, we're doing a programming stream anyway, so I'm gonna restart the bot a bunch anyway. Doo-dee-doo. What am I doing? I think I was gonna work on. What was I working on? Working on. Oh, you have alerts. I was working on the cache. Okay. So I can make this bigger. Let's see. Good enough. Yeah. Yeah, so the thing with the cache system is that it didn't work when I tested it last time. So, not great. Or rather, it did work, because the cache exists. It is being saved. I don't know what was breaking with it, actually. Let's just start the bot. Also, I'm going to change some. Let me change this command. And it's actually kind of annoying. I wanted to make it like cool, but this is worthless because it's only ever doing. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, darn build. Let me clone this repo and fix this bubble. I'm here. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I gave you an issue, I think, but I don't think I made a branch for it. Oh. Either you did already or I did. Neat. Okay. On the bot. I should probably run it in test mode. But for now, it'll not be in test mode. Why? Wasn't it working? Try to B dash. B dash. B dash. Okay, it worked. Worked even better because you lost too. I don't know why. I don't remember what wasn't working. Maybe it's in the commit. Let me restart the Fox too. I'm just gonna have to restart the Fox a bunch. Or history. Why was it being weird? Factor usages of channel and author utility. Factor user info retrieval. Yeah, I just have actually no idea why it's why I thought it wasn't ready. See, because what I made a user, because what we were doing before was that we had two different types that would give us the information. We had the author information from each message and channel information that we would get manually. So I just made a class that would combine the information from both, because not need like a bunch of types that are essentially doing the same thing running around when I buy it. And also that means that we can make fewer requests to get user information. All that stuff is cached, and it just updates the cache every time there's a new message. The question is, what the fuck else was it doing? I think I was gonna move the bank to the cache system, because the cache can write and load itself from the file. So I think I was just gonna add bank cache. Might move user cache into the user implementation. Make it static and then just do like user dot. I don't know. Now I think I'm gonna work on the money system. I can bring that into the cache instead of having it just be this thing. Until something breaks, and oh, maybe it was a leaderboard thing. I think that's what it was. Hold up, let's load. Shut up. Let's load. There we go. I remembered what the problem was. I'll just make it 2D. So yeah, for some reason, leaderboard just doesn't work. Okay, so what I did was we gave in the cache is basically just a map with extra features. So I didn't want to do any of the fucking like LRU or anything to manage the size, because there's no point right now. But it has a function such that if you try to get something that isn't in it, it will try to run the function to get said thing and then save it. But it seems to not be working when it was to do that. This is the function that should be running. Fetch users. Should run this, and then let's see what we're getting from speech. I can't speech, I can't type. this. Oh, we crashed. Nice. Why fucking F prime of X? I need some calc? Yeah, thanks. What are we doing here? We're working on the bot, which is currently dead at the moment because it crashed for some reason. How? How is there an undefined value? That does not make sense. Okay. Hold up. Let's, what is the node mock config right now? Yes. Node mock config. Should be in test mode now, so the bot will not be in the thing. How you doing today? I'm doing actually pretty good. Pretty good. I woke up to something very nice today. And then I watched some freaking Mandalorian. The Mandalorian episode is pretty cool. Having a decent day all around so far. How you doing? Confused? You woke up to me? No. Absolutely not. It's pretty... Right, okay, that's fair. Fair enough. It broke because there's nothing in the bank. Fair enough. Oh shit, if it's in test mode, then I can't. I literally... Okay, I can't test the thing I'm trying to test if it's in test mode, so we're gonna go ahead and put it back in live. So, absolutely not. Did you make him breakfast? Okay. I wouldn't trust any breakfast Tony makes me. What was I doing? Oh wait, hold up, Brenda. Why did you just show up talking about F primes? Also, speed us. Does it work? Okay, cool. Okay. I don't know what broke it earlier, actually. Hold up, let's scroll up. What made it crash? Oh, the bank was broken. Fair enough. Confuses even further on top now. Awesome. I'm the best cook here. That might be true. Certainly better than I. Also, what is this? Oh. Actually, where am I calling this? Where? What the fuck? That's actually really confusing. Wait, what? You just called it a bunch of times. Did that fill the cache? It did? What? Huh? What? Hold up. Refresh leaderboard. Leaderboard's still not working. That's... I'm so thoroughly confused. Okay. Go to the bank real quick. And we get it leaderboard. So maybe the problem's in here somewhere. UID, user cash, get UID. What I'm confused about here is that this should be... Ooh, it seems like this is returning undefined, even though there's no reason to be doing that. So we're gonna try and figure out why. To be fair, this implementation is kind of fucking impossible to read, so let's clean it up a bit. What is happening here? Getting users from the cache that are in the leaderboard. Okay, fine enough. Here, we can make this more verbose. Wait a second. Okay, I agree. Man is padding the vote. Rigged election. Somehow we're getting a bunch of unknowns in the leaderboard, and I do not know why that would be the case. Hold on, let me undo a bunch of this. Let user whoa, what the fuck? Okay. Refresh the leaderboard. Okay. We have a hint. Or a lead, I guess, is accurate. We're getting Eden's name. We're getting Streamlabs. For some reason... What? Okay, there we go. Mr. Confused. Undefined. Why are we getting a bunch of undefined? I like, that's... really weird. Okay, we're gonna have to break this down into for loop. Not want to have to do this, but it must be done. Not user. Blue, they're all this. It simply must be done. Wait. Got LB the LBI oh no, what was that? This oh, wait incorrectly. Very cool, very cool. Do console debug there. And just so it doesn't just break all the time, do if users Continue, otherwise use push. Okay. Actually don't need to do some of this stuff now that it's sorted already, but that's fine. We run it again, and hopefully it works now. Oh my god, this is so... How you doing, Brenda? Okay, I don't need this to be logging anymore. How is that happening?
탕수육이요.
We are never fetched. Interesting. This is just never existing? What's happening? Sound like this isn't being used. So why? I do get leaderboard. I'm gonna explode. Default time. Dude, what is this emo? What is this Cyclops like weird ass emo? Bizarre. Somehow we're never getting here. I don't. I'm running in dev mode, which means this isn't logging because it's bug. Fine, this should just be console debug anyway. Who's got the fucking NIG UID? But actually, why is this not working? Oh, wait, what? Oh, okay, no way. Catching cash value. What the heck? Console debug. I don't need this to be logged anymore. It's not true, actually. I actually really do need. But I don't need the things that I know are working to be logged, so let's do this. This map. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Oh, debug. Debug. We're getting closer. We are getting closer to finding what's wrong. Which users? Salt.data.item. Getting much closer to figuring out why everything is broken. Dead. Not awaiting? don't think it's awaiting properly. Why is fetch users locking like all the way down here? Should we? What? Returns a promise. Why are you mad? Promise users not. That's right. That's how you make this async. I was wondering how I did that. I think I just fixed it. Yep, there we go. Okay. Okay, well, that's a silly mistake. I was returning a promise, but not actually handling the promise in a way that makes any amount of sense. Good to know that that's working now, though. Means I should be able to just completely revert this and not have to worry about that. This should work. Cool. All right. I don't know. It's still importing console. Also, I don't know where this is happening. In the cache. I just do the. Yep. There we go. All right. Move all of that. Move this. And we're good. Cool, works now. Also, the stream is going to probably be a little shorter because I will probably hit the quota a lot faster since I'm testing things. I have to test it live because of what I do. And it crashed. Okay. Cannot destructure ID of get random user as it is undefined. Why is it undefined though? Why? How actually is it undefined? That. What? Tony, do BDS. Yes, Tony. There we go. That took forever. Wait, what? It worked? Okay. Sure, why not? Why wouldn't it just decide to work randomly for no reason? That's really weird. Hold on, let me try it. I don't understand what he thought was undefined. If this is suddenly just... Also, somehow I'm not a moderator of my own chat. Oh wait, no, that was Mr. Confused. I'm a little stupid. Cool, no idea why it didn't work 2 seconds ago, but... Seems to be fine now. In before it is not fine. Is this like what is what? Yeah, what? Why is this? Why is what? Why? Yeah. Okay. Okay, why not? Sure. Might as well just randomly not work anymore. That works. Or randomly work after it seemed to have been working perfectly fine. Well, let's just commit. I have absolutely no idea. Fix. Ash was not handling. Fetch. Ew. What else did I change? That. Cool. Don't push yet. I accidentally pushed to main. It's okay. I'm not gonna merge yet. Damn, I guess I should probably protect main, but I also don't want to. I also just don't want to. Let's change the bank to cash system now. Now it begs the question, where do I want? Where do I want the bank cash? It makes sense to put it in the money system file, but the user cache isn't in the fucking user model. Ooh, it's confusing and weird, so I'm just gonna put it in here because that's where this thing is right now, and we can think about a better place to put it later. Kind of number? Guess that's kind of all it is. If we want to add like super RPG element stuff. Oh yeah, I think I was talking about this with Confused yesterday. But it would be interesting if we had like RPG elements for users where like you could, the more you do beat ass or something, the like better your chances are at winning. Or, like you could have stats upgrades or something. I feel that'd be pretty interesting. Not a thing for right now, but certainly something. I need to copy something from the old money system. Since everything's just gonna be in the cache now, I guess. This actually changes quite a bit, a little bit, kind of a lot. Hmm. Kind of changes more than I was expecting it to, but this is okay, I believe. I like that idea, the RBG idea. Cool. I'll make an issue. Da, 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 da. Well, I'm just gonna turn the bot off completely because I don't want it to spam quota while I'm just doing a bunch of changes. Yeah, reverse. Shoot. PG system. I'm not gonna add any details to this issue right now, but it's gonna exist for now. Okay, now the question is, doesn't exist yet, then it should turn 6. Turn whatever the default bank value is, but then I don't want the default bank value to be somewhere else. Ooh. It's fine, we'll put it in the money system. Change this to that. And we want bank. I guess, do I want to like keep all these helper functions and stuff that I have? Like get wallet is literally just bank. Or I guess I should call it wallet cache. I guess there's another thing. Do we want to call it? What's up, Sherry? How you doing? Yeah, do we want to call it the bank, or do we want to call it? This is such a. I'm like, my brain is racking. I think I'm just gonna call it wallet cache now. Considering it seems like everyone's just calling it wallet. Actually, I don't know. What command do you guys use? Like wallet or bank? Ultimately, it doesn't matter. We're just gonna do this anyway. Why isn't it importing from this place? Oh. I think it's a default thing. What? We don't export it. Oh, I think I just forgot to add. I think I just forgot to add it. There we go. Whoopsies. Ucash number. Like wallet, but bank fits our theme of capitalism more. That's true. But I feel like wallet cache, whatever. I think I'll just go internally. I'll call them wallets, but everything is already called a bank. I want it the cache. What am I trying to think of? Prior to this, the cache was called bank, but now that it's like an actual cache implementation, I think it makes more sense to call it wallet cache because a bank is a wallet cache. This doesn't change anything externally, so nothing matters. So I'm just gonna call it wallet cache. Turns starting wallet. Because it's not a promise. Yep. Fine. You know what I could do? I could do this, and I think that doesn't break anything, which lets me not make everything async, or it does. But I'm actually kind of confused why that didn't. Kind of feel like that would make sense. Maybe it's. I feel like that's just a cat. Oh, okay. I guess I'm wrong. IntelliJ, not IntelliJ, freaking, what's it called? TypeScript fails me again. Removed my commits from main, nice. And I need to do this. But I also need to like consistently export things in a way that's not stupid. What is name? Oh. Okay, so there actually is a good reason to make. Okay, yeah, we'll treat this module as a thing. So this will still be wallet cache, but I'll just replace it in all of these places where bank is used. That's okay with me. Export wallet cache now. Also, everything's broken, but that's fine. This no longer matters. This also no longer matters, correct? This doesn't matter anymore. We can keep this, considering everything is now under money system. Yeah, we can keep doing this. Get wallets. Ultimately doesn't actually shorten the usage of anything by anything that matters. Transaction batch. I will keep. Wallet cache. Ready. Oh, what? No, not about that. This. But why are you mad? Because it's asynchronous. Yeah, it is asynchronous. Ooh. Okay, you know what I will do? It would be nice to have a single cache. But I think I will make this open. No, all classes are open by default. Yes. Make another class that's asynchronous. That's like specifically asynchronous for fetch instead of sometimes asynchronous. That way I don't need to. Wait, this is asynchronous anyway. I can just wait. Never mind. Or I can't. Why is this actually mad? Expected 2 arguments, got 1. Oh. Wow, okay, it was mad for an entirely irrelevant reason. This is mad because inside of a for each you cannot await. Fair enough. Just can place it with a normal for each or a normal for loop. And that problem is gone. Await wallet cache dot env file cache and bank. That should still work. For each batch, UID, you wait while it get. Doesn't matter. Cool, that works. Has to change a little bit. Be just wallet cache entries, which gives you an array, right? Don't need. Actually, retroactively makes this much cleaner. Oh my god. Very nice. Cool. Delete all of these. This one line again. This is, oh my god, this is so much cleaner than it was. Now we have the problem of what the hell is broken now that I've changed that. Ruh-roh. Let's just go through everything because I don't really know where anything is. That doesn't change so much. That doesn't change. Made PR for bubble. Nice. Okay. I will look at it after I'm make sure nothing is broken, because if I look at it now, I'm going to forget that I'm doing this and everything will remain broken. So I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna sort this by const. That's a system I did not implement at all, but okay, doesn't matter right now. Go through commands. I don't think any of the individual commands should interact with the bank, because otherwise, I'm pretty sure I designed it in a way that isn't. Nope, no I didn't. Okay. Why do we get wallet here? Ah, I see. Wallet cache, get an ID. What else is broken? Wallet cache, get. Oh yeah, eventually I want to add commands so that I can just type in chat and then give you a bunch of money or take a bunch of money away, but I have to fix the placement, but that's just me being nitpicky, but I don't feel like doing that right now. Fair enough. Fair enough. I'll just keep the branch alive. Just do another PR from the same branch. Wallet cache, get. Ah. Have indeed reached a place where I think it is necessary now to make an async cache and a normal cache. Kind of annoying, but that's a export cache. Export class ace. B extends cache. Structure. Be protected. Actually, it doesn't need to be protected. I think it can still be private. Hold on. Let's just leave it private and see if it breaks something. Trying to think if I can make this neater, because I could probably do this. Do this, and then like that's too dumb. I don't want to get rid of this. Is the problem. I'm gonna make this abstract. This just no longer gets used by anything. Make it an interface or an abstract class. Ooh. Why is it that I take so much time thinking about meaningless restructuring? Alright, let's just make an interface, I guess. Interface cache interface. And then we could have a synchronous cache and an asynchronous cache, or just I guess we could also just ignore that implementation, that function. It's not like it really gets used anywhere. Not necessarily the most efficient way to do it.
Especially because then it ends up being just undefined in the...
This is head thunker. Oh, okay. Hold up. Class cache. Abstract. I'm gonna do a little bit of this abstract class cache. Doesn't matter actually. Abstract class constructor command. Fair enough. And now that this isn't actually used in the implementation, we fetch and type and the use fetch return. Oh, actually, no, we cannot. Damn, I thought that was gonna be really fucking cool, but we cannot do that. Oh, I guess I could cast. But I don't actually need to do that. So I'm going to give up. Conclusion, we're giving up. Do I want to make it abstract? Or might as well make it an abstract class, actually. Okay. After much deliberation, we have come to a conclusion. We're going to have an abstract class, and then sports class. All this. Why not? Extends cache. A V. Now we don't need this in here. This here. And this here. Only returns that. Vector. This super map. Super here. This constructor no longer needs this this function because it's not part of anything anymore. Oh wow, just use the shit out of me. This isn't there, and we need to make get abstract now. Ooh, I don't think I can override the return type of function though. Jeez. How that goes. Make this v real quick. Leave everything else is and dot fetch equals fetch. Can I online? I feel like I should be. Get. What's this? Yes, this be protected. Fair enough. Now the question is, will I be able to override async get? Will I be able to change this return type? I don't feel like I should be able to, but I'd be really happy if I was able to. Fetch. I'm trying to make fetch happen. Oh, I feel like I can one-line this too. Why was it ever one-lined?
Property get in type async cache is not assignable to the same property in the base type. Not assignable. Means type being related. Yeah, I kind of expected that to break.
But I did not expect it until I had already gotten there. Just take get out of the abstract class implementation. Yep, that's what we're doing. Bye-bye. That fixes that problem. This is no longer an override. And no longer an override. Cool. Now this is gonna be async cache. Export default. We no longer need an export defaults because default exporting using any file. That may have broken some things I am not entirely thinking of. Like this. There we go. This is a synchronized cache. No longer needs to be awaited, which means this can go back to being a for each. And this can be vector. Remove braces. Okay, nice. This is no longer asynchronous either. Also just realized leaderboard has been covering. Close the leaderboard. I don't think we need on the screen any longer. Also, let me put myself in this. That's better. We continue. What had I just done? I replaced the synchronous cache, which I think all is actually fine now. Hold up, let's do yarn watch. Nope, not fine. Right, I forgot. All of the bank, all of the everywhere, the bank functions are broken. Where even is this? This is the entry file where everything starts. Wait. Ooh. Oh, we will not. Let the bank handle itself. Here we go. We're reloading user cache actually. Oh, right there. Literally directly in my face. Nice. Wallet cache, upload, env, file, cache. Oh, what the hell? File, cache, bank. I want this to be. All caps. Did you win yet? Yes, actually, it just ran, so I think I did win. Congrats. Thank you. Thank you for asking. Running in dev, loading caches, checking for safe. Okay. People start doing stuff. Everybody start doing things. The bot. Make the bot do stuff. So we can see if everything's broken or not. Let's reload the leaderboard. Reloading the leaderboard didn't crash it. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. What are you drinking? Root beer? Yes. No. Drink cane sugar cola. I did drink root beer earlier though. Now I'm addicted to sugar. Things are work. Somebody do beat ass. Or like attack. Someone do a bunch of commands or something. Also someone spam beat ass. I think the command, God, what am I trying to say? I think the cooldowns still don't actually work properly, but I'm not entirely sure. Put a command. This is supposed to be or, and is what's supposed to make things break. So let's. All right, let's see what happens. Gotta wait our. Nothing can ever be simple, can it? Why is this undefined? Why is it now undefined again? What? Actually, I have... Oh, but that shouldn't... What? How can it possibly be undefined? There's no value... In this thing, there are no values that are undefined. So how can there be an undefined value from get random? I am so... very confused. Prezes. Dude, what are these emos? Get random user. Somehow this is returning undefined value. Don't understand how. Once logger info. You run it. YouTube emails. So weird. Yeah, like I don't know what the fuck it is. I just wait for... So it just worked. Love confused. Welcome back. You come back at a great time. Everything's working. Just kidding. Just kidding. Nothing is working. Everything is broken. Everything's broken, but seemingly completely random. I like don't understand. Rip wounded. Hello, Moon. Did you see the new Zelda Tears of the Kingdom trailer? I did not. I did not see that. What? I saw something about it, but I thought it was a fucking April Fool's joke. Brain doesn't work. Okay, Jilla, I will watch that in a minute. Yes. I'm like trying to figure out why watch it now. It's making me feel things. Okay. Watch on stream. Okay, okay, okay. We'll watch it. We will watch it. Oh, it's from literally 6 hours ago. That's why I haven't seen it. Golly. Okay. Let me freaking. Hold up. Give me a second. Let me fucking think this through. I don't have a. I don't have a. Any way to like actually go browser right. Can you guys hear this? No. Can you? I don't think I can. Look. Going. Yep. Nope. You shouldn't be able to. That's why. Can we do this? There we go. Okay. We're watching it together. You're listening to City Girls. Leave me alone. Confused gets it. Hold up. The hell is this guy? What are you? Did they take my fit away? What the hell happened to my clothes, bro? Are we all like indirectly making out by watching this together? You're right, we are. Not gonna lie, you're all pretty mid-kissers, but I'll accept it. What the hell is Ganon up to now? Can the Switch run it? No. Back in the...
Zelda, we rely on your knight and that legendary sword he carries. Our last line of defense will be Link.
Link.
Hold up. Hold the fuck up. This looks like it's this looks like it's someone from Twilight, but that wouldn't make any sense. Ganondorf? I don't think he's like exists in this time point. Okay. Go.
Link.
Well, we are playing the shit out of this on stream. What? Whoa, whoa, whoa. We got a new bird friend, but also why are we, why are we ferrying people? Okay. Wait, what is this? Oh, okay, we have a new command that just sends things back to where they came. Okay. Interesting. Cart fights, okay. Bokoblins are arming the...
I know why I am here. It's something only I can do.
Do not look away. You witness a king's revival and the birth of his new world.
Okay, so Ganondorf is back.
Okay, let's go!
Ah, best song in the world.
But you are not alone. Link. You are our final hope.
I don't... Hydra? What's the three-headed dragon from the, I can only think of Ganondorf when I have Godzilla from the Godzilla lore. What is it, like Gideon or something?
Link. You must find me.
512. Oh shit, it's in a month? What?
Fine.
Okay, I need to go back.
The birth of his new world.
Okay, so I think I was right. That must be Ganondorf, but I'm not expecting Ganondorf to return. But it's the Twilight Princess and Ocarina of Time rendition of Ganondorf. I guess he kind of looks like this in Wind Waker too. I suppose this is supposed to be the timeline rectifying game lineage, so out.
Revival.
So we're assuming he has Triforce of Power.
New world.
Oh yeah, God! Make me want to play Ultimate.
Okay, let's go!
Got a new bird friend. I'm sorry, wait, hold on.
Okay, let's go!
We have Black Zelda? What's going on? We got Black Zelda? What's going on? Hold up. What? I need to finish the... Dude, you still have to finish fucking Breath of the Wild? Jeez. There's another video of Onuma demonstrating gameplay. Okay. I keep breaking my weapon. There are new skills, making an object travel back in time, combining items to make new weapons. Ghidorah, yeah. Got Black Zelda, bro? Okay, hold up. Let's see if we can find this.
Hello everyone, I'm Eiji Aonuma, producer of The Legend. Okay, let's begin. Here we are, in the land of Hyrule. Like The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, there's a vast world to explore. Of course, it's not just the same world as is. It's changed in many ways. If we talk about all of the changes today, we'll run out of time, so we hope you'll seek them out for yourself when the game launches. In this game, the vast world of Hyrule reaches high into the sky. You'll notice some landmasses floating up there. We call them Sky Islands. You're probably wondering something. How do you get to the Sky Islands when they're so high up? If we take a look, oh, something's falling from the sky. Do you see it? I wonder what that is. Let's head over to it. We're almost at the spot where the object fell. Here it is. Okay, let's use one of Link's new abilities. If you do this on the rock that just fell... Look, it started rising. This power is known as Recall, which rewinds an object's movement. Since I just used Recall on the fallen rock, I can now rise into the sky. We're a lot closer to the Sky Islands. Let's use the paraglider to reach one of them.
I don't think
There
feel
are
the
a few
legs.
other Sky Islands floating here too.
I like the voiceover. Yeah, it's. Dude, I had to.
I made it.
Wait, hold on. When they started when I heard the voice acting in the trailer, I got whiplash. 'Cause even though it's been, when did Breath of the Wild come out? 2020, 2018, no, 2019, 2020, something like that. Ever since the last one, NPC voice, 2017, Jesus Christ. Anyway, anytime ever since Breath of the Wild came out, and it was like the first Zelda game with voiceover or voice acting, I have not gotten used to it yet, even since then. And then I just hear Zelda start talking. I'm like, whoa, what the fuck? It feels like a fan edit. Because
There are lots of ways to reach the
also, were you ever supposed to do anything with the dragons? I like the one time I got near one, I just got fucking zapped. Obviously, are they just supposed to be this big thing that you can't do anything with, or like
islands, so we hope you'll try a few different methods. Okay, now we're on a slightly bigger Sky Island. Just like on the surface, there are several man-made structures.
bring back Skyloft or
Some
something?
trees are also growing here. You won't see many of those yellow trees on the surface, though. Let's walk around for a bit.
So why is my man back in rags? My guy already saved the whole place. Why are you back in
There's a branch on the
rags?
ground. When you find something like
If they
this,
take
you
my
should
fit
pick it up.
away, I'm gonna be
It
so
might come in handy
mad.
later. Let's continue.
I think this is the outfit that you wear in Skyloft. Hold up. I'm like pretty sure it's the Sky.
Oh, something's there.
Gotta
This is
go.
a
Hope
brand
you
new
win.
enemy called
Thanks.
a construct.
Thanks for stopping by,
We'll
Brenda.
fight it
I'll talk to you
using
later.
the branch we just picked up. Ah, the branch broke. Not good, not good. Quick, get another branch and... we defeated it. Moving on. We've now explored more of this Sky Island. As expected, fighting with just a branch won't get us very far. Also, this branch is almost broken.
Still got the weapon breaking
So
shit.
here's
Yep.
another one of Link's new abilities. If we use this branch and the rock over here, and do this, look, we can stick them together. We create...
What the fuck is that?
a makeshift hammer. This is called fuse. You can stick objects together to create new weapons with various effects.
You see, wait, it shrunk.
You can stick objects
When
together
they put it
to
on the back, it
create
just
new weapons with
shrinks.
various effects. Let's take on another construct with this fused weapon. We're dealing with two of them at once. Oh, we beat one. The weapons
It would have been so much
attack is
funnier if you
definitely
just have this
improved.
massive fucking boulder on your back.
The other branch broke, but this weapon has much better durability. You can do all sorts of things by
Long
experimenting
stick.
with the fuse ability.
Long stick technology,
You can
guys.
fuse two weapons,
Long
for
stick
example.
technology.
If we take this long stick and fuse it with a pitchfork,
You tell me we get a longer point.
we can create a weapon with a much longer attack range.
We got a fucking
With this, we don't have to get too close to enemies,
pitch,
and we can safely attack
pitchfork
from a distance.
halberd. What is this?
You can also fuse arrows with materials in your inventory.
Okay.
For instance, try fusing this leaf to an arrow. Fuse an ice elemental material to an arrow and...
Okay, I'm glad we're getting ice arrows
freeze
back. I
faraway
wish they
enemies.
didn't look like that, but
very useful.
why can you fuse a leaf? I guess they just
Let's
made it so
see.
you can fuse everything.
Ah, there's a bird flying around.
Probably gonna be
If
some
you're out
dumb puzzle where you
hunting,
defuse a
might
leaf
feel
with an
that
arrow.
aiming with an arrow is too difficult. Apparently, my eyes can't track fast-moving objects as of late, so my shots rarely land. So, at times like these,
Steak arrows.
here's an eyeball you can get by defeating monsters. Fuse it to an arrow and... Look, it homed in on the target. Let's try this on another bird.
That's a little disturbing, but it's also kind of funny. I'm okay with this.
I'll just fire in that general direction. It's very simple.
That is...
Depending on what you stick together, the fuse ability could also be beneficial for hunting.
I aim hard.
I fused a mushroom to my shield.
I fused a mushroom to my shield.
Now, you're probably wondering if this has any use. Well, this mushroom is actually a puff shroom. Let's fight an enemy with this. I blocked with the shield. Okay, there's smoke now. The enemy's lost sight of Link, so... Attack!
Why is this man still got
Even if you
this? Oh
struggle
wait, no,
with
that's a wooden
combat,
sword.
You can
Okay.
take down enemies
I'll allow
using
that.
similar methods.
Wait, no, okay, hold up. That says wooden stick, but that's definitely a
Previous
sword,
game,
right?
You'd usually down enemies using similar methods.
Look at that. That's a sword. Why does it say wooden stick?
In the previous game, you'd usually get powerful weapons by defeating
Shroom
strong
shield.
enemies. But in this game,
Shroom.
fusing even the weakest weapon with something else could turn it into a useful weapon. There are even more gameplay options for sticking things together. Let me demonstrate. Some of the Sky Islands even have rivers.
There's gonna be
We'll
some
wanna
crazy
cross
bugs
this
with this,
one,
dude.
but swimming across it, well, the river's too wide for that.
Not like every minute, every moment bug, but like
Of course,
they're gonna be
there
able to do
isn't
some
anything
wild
that resembles a
with this.
boat around here. So, we'll lift up this log and attach it to a second log. Let's do one more. We'll bring this over
We building a
here
boat?
and attach a third log. It's a makeshift raft. This is another
I'm
new
on a
ability
boat.
called Ultra Hand. Even though the logs are currently attached, they can be detached. Let's modify the shape of the raft. You can always attach things or detach them like this. Now, if we put this on the water, it's made of wood, so the buoyancy will keep it afloat. We've made a simplified version of a boat. However, it won't move in its current state, so we'll need something to propel it forward. There's something here.
There's something
Let's
here. There's
try
just a
hitting it.
propeller on the ground.
Oh, wind. It's blowing wind. Looks like we found a fan. Why don't we try attaching it?
Oh shit! Our arm is the new iPad.
We'll attach another one. This should make the boat
Put
well balanced.
mushrooms on it. But our boat won't go forward. Let's put some mushrooms on it.
Okay, they're attached. All right, let's try moving the boat.
Why did he make the boat this shape?
Hey, it's moving.
Looks like a Star Wars ship.
It's sailing pretty fast with the wind from the fans. Since we added two
Battery thing.
fans, we should be able to cross the river in no time.
Speedboat.
All right, we reached the other side. In the most recent trailer,
What? Huh?
we showed scenes of Link riding a large car and a flying machine. Those vehicles actually aren't in the game from the start. Instead, you'll be able to freely craft them on your own. There are all sorts of objects you'll come across in this game. And depending on how you use your imagination, you can do a lot with them. So, try crafting different things and explore this world at your leisure.
Why? Okay, I love that the Nintendo Pokemon
There are
division
even more new
doesn't give a
buildings.
shit about their
Take this building
customers.
over here.
And then the
Okay,
Legend of
watch this.
Zelda, they're like, oh, y'all want to do some crazy like,
Look, I
huh?
passed right through the ceiling. This new ability is called Ascend. If you're in a place with a ceiling, you can go through to the floor above you. There are some restrictions, but what's great about this ability is that as long as there's a ceiling, you can use it anywhere. For example, this place has a cave with a hill right above it. If we use the ability here,
No way, through the fucking mountain, dude.
come on,
Swimming
keep
through the
going.
mountain.
Okay, we emerged at the top of the hill.
Hmm.
In the previous game, you had to use stamina to climb a mountain. But in this game, if there's a mountain with a cave like this one, you can now get to the top without having to climb all the way up. Here's another example. Imagine you're stuck in a cage. If it's got a ceiling,
cool, I guess.
you know what to
That's
do, right?
weird.
Exactly. Oh, there's another construct. It seems to be holding a strange weapon. Some enemies are equipped with fused weapons, so battles will play out a bit differently from the previous game.
She's gonna smack him with it.
Ah, it blew me away with wind. Looks like it's got some sort of fan. Ah! I got pushed off! Ah well, let's just return to the surface.
Oh, that nigga's falling.
You can quickly descend from the sky to the surface like this. It feels so good. In the sky, you'll be able to look out across the land. You can also search for destinations that pique
What's
your
this
interest.
angle, man?
Once you've chosen your destination, you can speed things up, like this. Let's dive into this river. And
He's
we're
dead,
back on the
right?
surface.
Like he's dead. He's dead. He should be dead. He's dead.
There are still so many things I'd like to
You
show
die.
you, but
If you
let's
do
leave
that,
it
you
at that
die.
for now.
I know it's Link, and I usually don't care, but that's ridiculous.
What did you think?
That was the most
Some of Link's new
Minecraft
abilities
shit.
were updated from the previous game.
He just descended from the
I'm sure
stratosphere.
some of you watching me play were thinking, wait,
Now I can
if
swim
you could
through
do
atoms.
that, then
An
maybe
enemy
you
comes
could
at
do
me with
this
a
too.
boulder stick, I'ma cry.
In this game, you can do a lot of things just by thinking about what's even possible. There's still a lot of new gameplay, mysteries, and encounters we couldn't show today, but they're all jam-packed into this unfamiliar Hyrule, and we hope you'll use your imagination to explore it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
Well, that was definitely something. That was definitely something. Oh wow, no one did any commands for a while. Ooh. Well, I guess, yeah, that's like the future. It looks like it'll be funny at least. I mean, it's not like I'm not gonna play it and enjoy it. It's just like, I don't know about the ascending through mountain thing, but we will see. I fucking lost track of it. Clock even connected? I do not. I wasn't thinking that actually works just now. Oh, okay. That was a lot put in my brain at the moment. And I don't remember what we were doing. So, and the ass beating resumes. Somehow we are getting an undefined user, which seems dumb. This is exclusive. User. Let's do this. Users. Wait, undo it. I want Users dot count? Is there a count? No. God, I wish I was fucking doing this in Kotlin. Find? Yes, okay. You is fine. Yes. I guess I want find index actually, because if I do that and then it won't actually know if it's giving me the thing I'm looking for, because it just send me an undefined thing anyway. Someone do beat ass. Someone beat some ass. Actually, it might be cool. Actually, another good test because it should be on cooldown for both of you. It just straight up didn't work for Tony. Oh, because you typed bet ass. That's why. Let's see if it works. It works. And the bug just didn't happen. Doesn't exist. There is no undefined. How can there be no undefined if what? Okay. So we've just got this thing that breaks randomly for no reason. Sounds good to me. Temporary Band-Aid for land users being under. Okay, it's a band-aid, but at least it'll work for now. Other than that, I think everything works. I mean, if leaderboard works, then everything that is connected to leaderboard should also work. Someone try doing the wallet commands, like wallet and wallet and what are they fucking called? Someone do wealth gap. That's what I was trying to think of. Also, I need to get this. You guys just heard fucking Discord ping a bunch. No. Cool. I guess it still works. No idea why it was broken, but seems like everything else is working. I should write tests, but I don't want to. We're not going to. Really just that easy. I don't know what we did. Wait, what did we do? Wait, what do you mean unused? Oh no, it's used. Okay. Refactored hash to factored bank into the station. I don't think anything else. Nope. Okay. That's it. We have completed the cache. Nice. I can make a pull request for that. User and bank. Persistent. Persistent? Persistent. I don't know how to spell. Off of that, we are good, I guess. I'll probably pull this into main first, and then the... Actually, no, I'll pull the beach bubble into main first, because I think that should be fine. The only thing you changed was CSS, right? Yeah, it's just a CSS change, so we'll just pull that first. Merge. Or branch. Okay, Tony, merged your fix and I made sure the branch didn't get deleted. We will merge the cache branch. I will close the bot for now. That we can branches. I need to update the main. I need this to be bigger. I don't know why this is so tiny. That's what she said. Anyway, we can go back to remote. And what did it just? Why did it just open? And we can rebuild. And let me do. Should have waited for it to build. Whoopsies. But that should fix that. Okay, that fixes that, and the bot is running again, and everything's good, and everything's working. I hope very much a lot. Godly Jesus Christ, I hope it works. I don't wanna fucking revert that change. What else we gotta do? What's the next thing that needs to be not broken? Close as completed. Oh, wait, no. Actually, you should not have done that. Like, placement should not be closed. Whoopsies. My bad. Want to do weighted randomness for beans, which whatever. Transfer time-based passive labs. Okay, that's an easy one. We can do that, and then swap to a video game for the rest of the stream. And while we're playing the video game, we can brainstorm stuff for the hell is it called? For the RPG system. Be pretty cool. So thinking about cool stuff for the RPG system. We could do like farts. We could do fights. We could do cool fights. Something like beat ass, but like more directed. I want to do raid bosses, which will be a more complicated system. Because it will be across passives and commands. So it'll have to be like a module of its own. That's okay. We can think about that later. Let's go into passives and we make it generic. We can call it timed. It's not actually timed, considering it's based off of how often people are saying things, but whatever. Basically a copy of the participation award, except not at all, actually. Wait. It's basically this thing, except very different. I could make this an think I need to make this a new class. Let me do this quick. Class. You can also call it like delayed passive, time passive. I don't know. We'll keep it like this for now. Class timed message, then passive vector. Let me open a passive. Copy this. Predicate. Invoke. Actually, don't want to pass this because this is going to be custom. Actually, both of these are going to be custom. Ooh. Ah, yes, farts. Yeah. What do we need? We need the message that we're going to send, and we need a message delay. What do we want to call it? Ticker. Some kind of like, it's basically how many messages need to send before before we resend this message. Fuck, what am I trying to say? Kind of a cooldown. Call it like a limit. Quota, bucket, volume. We'll just call it delay, message delay. Why not? Delay kind of implies something I don't want to imply, but we can just add a comment and clarify real quick. A number of messages between location. So I always spell invocation with a K because I'm apparently German. Message, whatever, the message. Ooh, the man is falling. I don't think I need anything else, but we can think about that in a second. We need super. The predicate shall be what? Oh yeah, I also need to. I had this before, but I haven't done it in a long time. Or I had this in Weebot, but I haven't done it in this. To get ourself and save it as self, because otherwise I will think myself as not a bot, which is kind of what I don't want. Where do I put this though? I put an ENV because it's essentially always the same. Call it self. ID is this, and name is. Where are you at? Where's the thing I just had open? Here. That. Okay, cool. Shit, now I actually have to think. Message, tokens. I don't care about tokens. I don't care about the. That actually, wait. Ready? Oh, it's been so long since I've actually implemented this. I forgot how it works. Message tokens in this. Okay, so it is both of them. Oh, scratch a little bit. Good. Async. Blah blah blah. This. Async. Message. B. Okay, so the predicate is whether this passive should run at all. This should be that it's not returning a true or false. What we need now is some things. Private read-only message. Private read-only. Hey. We also want private counter number 0. This stop message, this stop message, delays, enough. Why are you mad? How could you possibly be mad? Super must be called before. Okay, that's fine. How do I want to do this? If message ID, no, message author details dot ID, not env. Whoa, that is not env. Oh, this one. Self dot ID. If it's not self, brain doesn't work. If it's not the we. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, that's better. Yes. If it's someone else, it's not the bot. Increase the counter. Yeah. Okay. Counter plus. If the counter is greater than the message delay. What the fuck happened here? Delay. Actually, I guess I don't even need to make these private if they get referenced here. I think it needs to. I don't think this needs to be here, actually. Hold up. Because this just gets compiled down to a number. Pretty sure. I guess it should be fine. Turn true. And also, this dot counter equals 0. Reset the counter. Otherwise, return false. Whoa, I can't fucking type. Okay, now we're here. We don't actually care about the message that gets sent. So as long as we aren't as long as the bot's not saying this, or sending a message, and we have reached the delay that we set, we will then send a message. How do we do that? Jet. Import the YouTube API. Send a message, and the message is just going to be the message. Wait. It should be void, yeah. Okay. Which means it's going to be mad if I do that. Yeah. Oh well. Okay. Well, as long as we meet those requirements, then we just send the message that we set here. Means now we can do this. I'm going to say export default class, and we can just make a couple of these. Export. Hold up. Let me open up the messages that we currently or used to have on CloudBot. Timers. There we go. We've got bank. Might as well copy that. Why not? Export const bank message equals new time message. Message this. Remember to use bank to trick your wallet, and who's on a line minimum of 10. We could also make these timed based off of time. I forgot the word for time, bro. Oh boy. Looks like it's time for me to leave. All right, drive safe, bro. Remember, frickin' Rember. It's been Rember this whole time. Let me grab the Discord link also, because sure as hell is. I don't think the one that's I would about to be copying works, but export const Discord message equals new timed message. Join the NL or what? To chat and get its stream. Cool. Put this on at the late. How many messages? 10. Look. I don't know. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll make it like 15. If 15 is too much, it's like not a difficult thing to change. Let's go ahead and copy my aquatic mastery one. Aquatic mastery. Close my message. And put this on 15 as well. Ooh, the thing is I need them to be randomly distributed. You know what we'll do? We'll make them random. I'm huge brain. Random. From range. There we go. We'll make it random between like 15 and 20. So every time it starts up, it's just a random number. That's fine. I had my old ESEA fucking affiliate link. Funny. I don't even know why what was my ESEA? I guess discount or something. I don't know. There was a command. There was one that tells you how to do the command. Export const commands message. Ooh. New timed message. This is just wrong. Use rar for commands. Get a list of all. Exclamation mark for fun! Yay! Hooray! Random. Make this one slightly more common on average, I guess. Less common on average. Seems good enough. I think that's everything I need. This doesn't technically need to be exported because it doesn't go anywhere, but actually that's fair enough. Go here and we do this. Aquatic mastery message, and I don't remember the other ones. Discord message and fans message. There was one more bank message. Oh, the is fully. That. Gotta go see you in a bit. Thanks for stopping by. This just works. This was also supposed to be in another branch, but that's fine to be honest. What did I change? Added page delay timer. Sending repeat messages. Kind of a lengthy commit, but whatever. Commit and push. Cool. Hold up, let me see. Avon? Are you alive? Interesting. Seems like Avon is not alive. Anyway, back to what the fuck we were doing. What the fuck were we doing? Just did the command timers thing. We can close this issue. We could think about the RPG system. You know what I'll do off the bat? I will update this. Cache should be deleted now. Good. Delete the cache branch, and also I'm going to update the alerts branch so that it will be super out of date next time Tony tries to work on it. Get origin. Merge. You guys cannot see what I'm doing, but that's okay. Be over quickly. Want this? I want this. And this actually. That. Cool, that's good. That should have merged things well enough. Let's see. I think this is the only thing that would have broken. Cache is here. I think there were any changes in this. Before I push this, let's find alerts. There we go. Gamers, whatever. Image, whatever. Okay, I think everything is fine. Commit this, or not commit, push this. This branch will be nice and updated. Otherwise, I think we're gonna call it there. We did some pretty good work. We finished cache, we fixed a lot of bugs. Implemented some timer stuff. The alert system is what we're working on. It's like the next big thing that we want to get out. But it's a bit. It's gonna take a minute for it to be fully complete. Promise return, whatever is not. That's fine. I do kind of want to test it out real quick, so let's see if I can hook it up. anything, because I don't think it actually. Oh, it's in redemption. Which is and add fit check. Let's see if it works. Actually, don't know where it gets served or if it gets served at all. Routes, leaderboard, API does not get served at all. Fix that real quick. Get alerts. Does it? No, it doesn't. Nor res to res does send file. Join. Whoa. Public slash what's it called? Alerts. HTML. Let's see if this works. Also add a path for it in the where's public? There's game index. Alerts. Enough. And if I go to flash alert. Cool. Actually want to run this in test mode. Did I fix the node mon? I unfixed it actually. Yarn watch. Be running in test mode. Yes. Now if we do fit check, it doesn't exist. Fair enough. Fit. Fit. Okay, ran that time. Fit check duration. Make it something stupidly long so I can actually tell if it's working. And in alerts, just add a base delay. Whatever, we'll think about it later. Const base. Okay. Space delay. There we go. Package draw packet alert. Draw. This should work. Fit check. It very much does not. We just do not import fucking file. Assets. Scripts. Alert. That'd do it. Just absolutely not importing it whatsoever. Let's restart this. I don't know if that would build. I think we're gonna have to rebuild this real quick. So the music hasn't been going since the fucking. Why is it just stuck saying connected? Doobly. I hope that's not a bug I'm gonna think about later. Cannot read property undefined reading durations. Okay. Cancel. Build again. Start. It sent an empty. Okay. Should be fine actually. Wait. Wait, actually, wait, no, what? What? No, that is fine. No, it's not. Maybe it is. Next alert sends. Sending alert, next alert. Okay, yes. Which means that here, this can be null. If this isn't null, I'm gonna do this. Let delay. Just leave it at that for now. If we do have an alert, we make the delay this. Else, delay will be base. Not have base polling. Polling rate. And this will be the delay. I don't know why Rollup isn't watching. Yeah, it should be reloading when I refresh stuff in there, but whatever. Run it manually for now. Reload this, fetching alerts. Very good. All right, now if there's no alert, it just does nothing. Let's do fit check. Channel display name, redeemed fit check. Nice. Very nice. So I'm gonna have to delete this from the cache again, probably. Or not? Somehow? Right, it's only updating the cache. Okay, I inadvertently fixed a different problem that I forgot I even had. Cool. Oh, here's a new problem though. We don't clear the drawing board after the normal delay. What I think I'll do is this. After the normal amount of delay, we will clear the drawing. Make a function for it. Whoa, what the fucking function? Now all it has to do is clear the inner text. Cool. That fixes that. Very cool. And with that, I'm gonna call the stream there. Get some solid words. Fucking, what am I saying? It's some solid progress on the bot. But I'm imagining the bot's API usage is probably a bit high right now. So I might have to... might call it there. It just won't show me the quota. Hello? There we go. Alright, it's actually pretty low. I guess it's been off for most of this. Yeah, we are gonna call it there for today. Shorter stream, but I don't know. I just don't have the energy for the long stream today. Thank you for stopping by. Remember to like the stream. Discord and donation links are in the description. Remember the Discord, I make sure to mention when I'm streaming every day. Probably some other call to actions I'm forgetting. But I will see you tomorrow. Yep, I'll see you tomorrow. 3 p.m. EST. If it changes, I'll let everyone know in the Discord. Peace.
We're miles apart, we're in different weathers. I bought a plane ticket to you, things are getting better. I'll see you in 7 days when we're feet away. Doesn't matter then. For now, I'm calling you all over FaceTime. I miss the days when we could see each other with no worries. When we were just face to face, not miles away. I miss those days. I can't stop time, so I dream all night. I'm losing all my sleep for you. I'm having lucid dreams, I'm beginning to losing all my sleep for you. I'm having lucid dreams, what do I do? I'm a little worried, I admit. The days are passing slowly, things seem to be up better there, but nothing's changing here. I'll be losing my mind. I don't wanna spend another day alone. I can stop looking at my phone, so hurry up and come on here. Though we have a fear, I miss you too much to care. I can't stop time, so I dream all night. I'm losing all my sleep for you. I'm having lucid dreams, I'm beginning to losing all my sleep for you. I'm having lucid dreams, what do I do?
Alors après, 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 alors après.